Hi, if you wanna check total screen time on your Poco X7 Pro, just open your settings. Then scroll down and find this digital well-being and parental controls. And now you can see your total screen time. So, for example, I spent 32 minutes on my phone today, which is really impressive. Also, I got 14 notifications. I have unlocked my phone 21 times. And also I can see dashboard, so I can see it like this graph. And also I can switch to any other day from the list. And if I scroll a bit more, I can see which apps I use the most. So for example, I use settings the most and I spend 28 minutes on my settings. So you can also here find your Betsy mode, focus mode, do not disturb mode, and so on. And you can tap this circle and from screen time switch to notifications received or times opened. But if you choose screen time, you can also swipe down and check time for apps. You can also set limit for apps if you tap here, and now you can set 30 minutes for timer app, for example, so you can use it only for 30 minutes. Or you can increase the time or decrease. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.